guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I've got an unboxing for you and it's one that I wasn't expecting. We all know what this shape is. This is Box of Goth. Let me have a little chop and have a look. Now, I didn't order this, but I do chat to the girls at Box of Goth a lot. We like chat shit on Instagram and we're just kind of like soul sisters. We're kindred spirits. We've never met, but I know if we met, we'd all just be amazing. It'd be awesome. And I said to them, we've been chatting various times and I mentioned that I was going to send them some brownies because I used to have my own cake business, and now that my sickness is gone I can actually do cooking. And they said, well, you've got something coming in the post next week. And I didn't know what it was going to be. And this has just arrived. And it says, we love Lucy. Hope you and Bumpy and the whole fam are well. What it says on the little sticker. So cute. So, we're going to get into it. I've got no idea what's in this. But for those of you that don't know, Box of Goth is a monthly subscription box. They don't pay me to say this. They don't pay me to unbox it. Other than this, I have paid for every single Box of Goth unboxing I've ever had because it's one of my favourites to unbox. I'll leave all the details down below for you guys, and any links and anything I can get I will leave down for you guys, but it's this. It is a box of gothic goodies. There is a different theme every month. I don't know if this is a monthly box or if this is just a little box they've made for me, so we will just have to see. I'm so excited. Let's have a look. Come on. Ooh. Okay, so I've got some little tiny bat. Look at them. Little bat confetti. I'm going to save them for the girls because they love shit like that. Oh, look. Okay, so let's have a look. My goodness. My goodness. I think this is the Pastel Goth box. I think this is this one. Or parts. I'm not entirely sure if this is the whole Pastel box. Pastel Goth box. Or not. What is in here? This is Jawline Jewellery. Look. This is someone else that I chat to online. Oh my goodness. Okay, Jawline Jewellery. I discovered them through Box of Goth. And they do the most beautiful jewellery. And I can't remember what this snake's name is, but it's amazing. I'm just going to find it really quickly. Bear with me. His name is Pillsbury, as in Doughboy. Look how beautiful that snake is. I just had to go back through our chat and have a look and see what his name is. And I've got a little sticker, a Jawline Jewellery sticker, and then look at this. Look at that. Oh my god. Oh, it's a ring. Oh my god. Oh my god. The freaking eye opens. Oh my god. Why am I being thick? Look at that. How amazing is that? Oh my god, I love it. It only fits on my little finger because I've got fat pregnancy hands. But I love it. Look, how amazing. This is the kind of jewellery they do. And I just think that is so cool. They do so many different bits. You need to have a look. I will link everybody's, well, not everybody's, obviously just Box of Goth and Jawline Jewellery. I'm not going to link everybody in the world's Instagram. That would just be crazy. Anyway, we're 4 minutes in and I'm just chuntering rubbish. So let's have a look. So, what have we got here? What are you? What are you? Oh, this is a magnet! I should probably look where it's from. This is Accessory Cemetery. Accessories for the dead and homewhere to die for. Coming soon, get 10% off your first order with the code RIP. I'll link this as well so you guys can see that. This is a magnet and it's a coffin and it's purple. Oh my god, let me see what this says.
This This says handmade wooden coffin shaped magnet. Hello Box of Goth people. I'm just starting out and will have my website up and running soon. I will have a few starting products available including coffin magnets, not painted unless requested, coffin chopping boards, coffin coasters and some coffin jewellery pieces, and I'll be adding regularly. All items will be handmade stainless steel jewellery and handmade homewares made of wood and softwoods. And then their Instagram is @accessory cemetery. I'll put this on the screen as well, as along with the discount code. And it says keep it creepy AC. That's a little letter in there sort of just introducing that page.
About this little cute magnet, which I love. Okay. Ooh, a little bag. You get lots of pin badges and stuff and really cool jewellery. Literally all the jewellery I own is from Box of Goth. Get out. Get out. I love the pink and the purples. It's awesome. So this is a pin badge and it says more dead than alive. Come on, camera. You can do it. Cut his fucking head off. Come on. Come on, camera. My camera hates me. If it's your first time here, my camera hates me. I'll put a picture of this in because the camera's a dick. Okay, we've got some candles. Oh, love spell candles. I don't think I need any of that with my belly. Love spell candles. They're super cute. I love candles. I'm a little bit obsessed with candles to the point where Ben thinks I might be insane because I have so many. Rose quartz is a crystal of peace and love. Oh, that's so sweet. Let me try and get it out. Right. I'm sure there's a way to open this, but I have no patience. I love rose quartz. I've got a beautiful necklace. One of the first bits of jewellery Ben ever bought me was a rose quartz heart. It's so pretty. And I'm sure there's a meaning. I don't know what rose quartz means. I know it's peace and love, but I don't know whether it might mean fertility as well. Is that a thing? Made that up. Please hold. No, I just made that up. Rose quartz is a pink rose variety of quartz. Rose quartz is a stone of universal love. It restores trust and harmony in relationships, encouraging unconditional love. Purifies and opens the heart to all levels to promote love, self-love, friendship, deep inner healing and inner feelings of peace. That's just lovely. That is so cute. I'm going to have to put this up somewhere high though because the kids are going to steal that. Okay. Yeah, this is the Pastel Goth box. It's in the bottom and it tells you everything that's in there. So if I need to know anything, I can look. We've got a little pin badge with a little face with dead eyes. I've got, oh my god, I love this, a sticker that says like literally dead and it's like purple. It's like such a knob. So the Dolly Eye ring is by Jawline Jewelry. Like literally dead coffin is by Peaked in the 90s. More dead than alive enamel pin. Oh, they're earrings. I just saw these pentagrams and I was like, is that a necklace? And I wasn't sure what it was, but they're earrings. I've just seen it. I need to get them in my ears. Oh my god. Get untangled and get in my ears. Oh, fuck yeah! These are amazing. Oh, it might need re-piercing. Oh, it's through. She's through. She's through. They're amazing! Oh my god. I love them. Who are they by? I don't know. They're so good. And then what are you? Faux lip and nose rings. These are green. I love a fake nose ring. Can't have my nose pierced because I've got a stupid mole there. And if I have that side done, it will look weird. And I'm too scared to have my lip done. And I'm also 35. And I don't want to look like a knob and everyone be like, let's put it in. Oh my god, I love it! I want my lip done so much. Obviously I can't have it done now, up the duff, but my nose is like far too big for this. That's gonna fall out. I'm keeping the lip one in. I'm keeping the lip one in. I might do a poll. Should I pierce my lip? Oh, it just fell off. Should I pierce my lip? I really want to. Ben needs to have 3 in his lip. I really want it. Okay, and then finally, after 10 and nearly 11 minutes of me chuntering shit, there is a necklace. See, the girls at Box of Goth know that I chat shit, and they still love me. It's got to come out because it's going to fall off my face while I'm talking. Look at this. Oh, the baby just proper kicked me in the bladder. He, like, yeah, he likes it as well. Oh my God, I love it. I think this might be my favourite necklace I've got from you guys. And I've got a shit ton. I feel like this might be my favourite one. Look, that is just amazing. And I absolutely love the colour. My eldest is going to want to steal this because she loves purple. Thank you so much to Box of Goth for sending me this. You guys, you know how much I love you and how bloody amazing you are. I will link all the jewellery and Box of Goth and jawline jewellery. Yeah. Like that, look. Bam, bam. I'm so weird. Sometimes I feel like I should just rein it in, and then I think, no, I'm not going to. Anyway, if you like these kind of videos, please do give this one a great big fat thumbs up, and you should definitely subscribe to my channel. You should 100% go and follow Box of Goth and Jawline Jewellery and Accessory Cemetery on Instagram and show them some love. Tell them that the weird sweary one on YouTube sent you, and they'll know you mean me. Thanks for watching. I'll see you really, really soon. Bye, guys.